after a few weeks off. We'll working on the late model tonight, and we'll check in with Jake and Jaden and see what they've got planned. But first, we'll check in with Jake and his helper underneath the car.
You ready?
When are you boys taking off?
Valance. Time for paint. Got to get it off so we can get it painted. Make it look pretty again.
Yeah, so we've gotten word from our sponsor that he's ready for panels to be painted, so we're getting everything situated, so we're ready to go when we get the message to take it to the shop. So these two will take the valance off.
Got two more. This one comes right off, okay?
And we'll see what Jaden has planned.
Okay.
What are you looking at?
Luke, you do this one here. Do this one here.
Deciding what I want to do.
Got it?
Got it.
Making a lot of racket over here.
That's right.
Do you need me to hold that?
I'm gonna fall.
I
Well, that
got it.
wouldn't be funny. Especially on a camera,
Thought it was going down, Jade.
You jack stealing my way.
I thought that was it. That's good. Oh, you ready, dude? Wait a minute.
Ready?
Good.
Got it.
Don't drop it, Jake.
Why? It's plastic.
Okay.
Don't scratch it.
I don't pay the bill.
Look how dusty it is, Jake. I think you need to wipe it down.
Nope, not my job.
My job.
My job. Figured out what you're doing.
Stealing stuff. Don't tell Lucas. Lucas! You stay up there, okay?
I think I hear you are stealing stuff from my toolbox.
I'm stealing nothing.
Yes, you are.
What nut?
It doesn't matter. You're talking about.
I stole nothing from you.
Yes, you did.
No, I did.
I see you are in my toolbox.
I am not in your toolbox.
I can look under the car and see you in the toolbox.
If you naughty kid.
What are you going to do about it?
You stole something from my toolbox.
Yes, but what are you going to do about it? So, need to steal a left-hand thread nut because my shifter linkage was out of adjustment and I undid it in half a thread and my linkage fell off. So, better put a lock nut on it or a jam
I
nut.
got this.
And the reason why he's pulling off the shifter linkage is he's going to pull his transmission out to make sure everything's
Hello.
good to go.
And we're done.
And you guys are done up here. And Lucas, you're going to clean up all the dust from our body work.
I have to clean this, that, and the other one. I like that.
I'll get going.
Who's throwing tools up?
These guys are going to think it's ha-ha funny.
Aha, funny. So that means it
So Lucas, what are you going to do? You're going to clean those up?
Yep, this one, that, and the other one.
All right. Good job. Cam's going to check out something at the back.
Yeah, you hear moving. That's what.
I want to have a cleanup job for Mommy when I get the transmission out.
Oh, yay. Are we making a mess under there?
Yep.
No, it's just messes that you miss cleaning all year long because stuff was in your way. But the stuff isn't in your way anymore.
While you're under there, I'll just give you a rag while you can clean it up.
That's a big negative.
That's, yeah, I agree. Yeah. Yeah, he's under there. Why? He's already there.
Mm-hmm.
Dave.
What?
Dave. Jake.
You're fired. Get fire volunteer.
He
One
gone.
done. I got one done.
Good job, buddy.
I got 2 more to go. One
What are you
done.
doing over here? Having fun?
2 more to go.
No,
What's
yeah.
fun?
Are you having fun, Gato?
What's fun?
Yeah.
Crow, baby.
Cam's helping Dave. What you got there, Dave?
Hello, Raptor.
Transmission is out.
Done today.
So I guess that means I get to go under and clean.
About time.
Or me.
Or Jake.
going.
The only way Jake's clean is by his gut.
Oh, Lucas is offering to clean? Alright.
Last time I was here, we
And
didn't have a video camera.
what?
I heard that.
And then I went under there when Dad was at work.
I can go up on the bench, Dave.
And then I went under to clean.
Which one?
I came
back?
back from school.
Come back, man. We gotta go through it anyways.
Oh look, Jake's cleaning.
First time for everything, don't show us that.
Oh no! Don't do that. I'll be in big trouble, Lucas.
What?
Yeah, we gotta put it up there.
You can help Dave.
I see clothes.
You'll
Yeah,
be
I need no
fine.
gloves.
You'll be fine.
Okay, right here.
Use your knees.
Remember, always lift with your back in a twisty turny motion.
Yeah, I did. Take it measured.
Good? Lift, ready?
Up.
Rawr.
Good job, bud. So I'll leave that there for Jaden to go over.
Oh, no.
And this is who behind the camera.
Oh yes it is. Thanks, buddy.
Yep.
What you doing, Dave?
Checking out spline. You get to clean that before we take it apart?
Well, I got some good news.
What?
The bell housing isn't full of oil like it was last year when we
Well,
took it apart.
that's
After we I stepped in my own chicken food. What's up?
What you doing, buddy?
Bell housing also, I can inspect my clutch, inspect my pilot bearing, because these Raptor transmissions like to chew up the pilot bearing. Yeah, I remember that. Oh, it's like brand new, man.
Should be, you just replaced it.
You know what's even better? My clutch disc, like the pressure plates on my clutch, don't even have any discoloration at all.
Well, I mean, if you're actually driving the race car, how the race car is supposed to be driven, instead of being soft.
Like that?
No, you're like.
I went from the lawnmower racer.
Yeah, but see, I break mine every race, so that means I actually beat on it.
Or is it just due to lack of maintenance?
Well, I mean, you're supposed to be my crew chief there, bud.
Where was that memo?
I never got that memo.
Yeah, you did. It was in your junk folder.
The other thing we check is make sure.
And there's that lady over there. She's getting her done.
Hey Dave, we always check. Make sure the pilot bushing, sorry not pilot, the throw-up bearing doesn't have any bad bearings. So we'll get that cleaned up and we'll get that put back in. And we'll get the transmission inspected because these very expensive, overpriced transmissions are very fragile. Vegas! What?
What do you got that for?
I brought this in because you guys are making this garage stink.
Oh, no. Oh, come on.
Let me see this. You stink!
It's all you, and you're blaming all us.
Yeah.
I know.
Heavy artillery.
I surrender.
Not in the face. Blind him.
Well, at least he grabbed my race wax.
Can't see anyway. He doesn't have his glasses on.
Thank you.
Here. Not any product placement, but Jessica was working at the chassis shop on the weekend, discovered this driven race wax cleaner. And what do you think?
It makes everything, well, I cleaned a transmission at the race shop, and it made it look brand new. So I'm going to try it on this mid-plate and see what happens.
Is this going to be like that Frank's hot sauce? I put that beep on everything.
We smell it.
Wait.
Yeah.
But this smells good.
Cam, you're in a very, very bad area.
I'm safe over here.
Oh, no.
Get out!
Gotta go,
Out,
go,
out.
bye.
Bye.
You should have recorded that.
Bye-bye.
No.
Lucas fashion.
Oh, to be fun.
Always eating.
Snack break, child.
Jessica,
Yes?
there's a perfectly empty bench over there.
Hey, it wasn't empty all the way to go. It's not my fault you moved the transmission over
It's
there.
right there. Just getting rinsed off. So then Jessica can do her magic to clean it. We prefer to start our season with all the parts nice and clean of any oil. This way, if there's any oil leaks that occur, we know they're new and not from last year. Not that a race car would have any oil leaks. Right, Lucas?
Not supposed to.
Don't like it. It's not recommended. Well, we get that cleaned up, and then I'll rebuild my throat bearing, just the seals and everything, make sure it's all good. And then once she gets the transmission cleaned up, I'll open it up and have a quick look. And Dave has come back.
A little thinner.
What's going on down there?
Checking what needs to be cleaned up because the driver can't do it.
Well, you like doing that job.
Oh yeah, get all the grease and grime.
Yeah, well, you gotta do what you gotta do. She did do a pretty good job on the transmission, I have to say that. Looks brandy newish.
Well, thanks for joining us tonight. Right, Jake?
Yep. See you another time.
Got a little bit done. Got more to do. What do you say, Junior? Oh, you got a full belly, so now you're a little blanky on the brainy.
Please like and subscribe. And Lucas, comment. Wow, you're really being shy because you're hungry.
Wow.
Comment down below.
I can't even remember.
Yeah, pup shop dog. Who's your shoppy dog? Thanks for watching, everyone.